We all know staying hydrated is important, but did you know there are specific times when water benefits you the most? After a night's sleep, your body is a little dehydrated. Drinking water first thing reboots your system, flushes out toxins and gets your metabolism going. You'll feel more alert and energized. Water preps your stomach for food, helps you avoid overeating by feeling fuller, and even improves your nutrient absorption. Aim for a glass 30 minutes before the meal. Sipping water throughout the day keeps you hydrated and supports digestion, temperature regulation and nutrient transport. Plain water is great, or add some citrus or herbs for extra flavor. Hydration is key for a good workout. Drink water before or during and after to prevent fatigue, muscle cramps and aid in recovery. Take short breaks to rehydrate. We lose fluids through breathing and daily activities, so top them up to stay energized. A small glass of water before bed helps prevent dehydration overnight and supports your body's natural detox. But avoid large amounts of water at bedtime, or you might end up urinating or making trips to the bathroom quite often. Thirst is your body's signal for water. Drink whenever you feel thirsty and aim for 8 to 10 glasses per day. Adjust this based on your activity level, climate and overall health.